To navigate to a shapefile point feature, also known as a waypoint, in the RadScout system, open the RadScout application on the tablet. Select Open Waypoint File from the File drop-down menu. To add new files to the Open Waypoint File menu, the point feature shapefile must be added to the data logger using the RadSync application, shown in video 1.3 of this series. Select the shapefile you would like to display, then select the Open button. You can only have one waypoint shapefile open at a time. The waypoints will be displayed on the map along with several new map options. To reveal these new map options, select a waypoint. The visibility tool on the top right corner of the menu is used to toggle individual waypoints on and off. This is useful when identifying if a specific location has been visited or not. The coordinate information tool on the bottom right corner of the menu displays waypoint coordinate information. The highlight tool on the bottom left corner of the menu is used to highlight a specific waypoint. The navigate tool on the top left corner of the menu will display a window that shows distance from the selected waypoint along with a compass needle that indicates the direction to the selected waypoint. When a shapefile is loaded, the Labels menu button will appear at the top of the tablet next to the Tools menu button. Selecting this tool will reveal labeling options for the waypoints. Labels will depend on column headers and values in the point feature shapefile. To clear waypoints, select Close Shapefile from the File drop-down menu. Please check out our other RadScout instructional videos on the ERG webpage. Any feedback or suggestions for additional RadScout videos is appreciated and can be sent to radscout@ergoffice.com.